All right, hello guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. So I hope everyone had a good night rest. Today is another day to make money from the forex market. So if you haven't funded your account, please go and fund your account. Okay. So if you haven't funded your account, go and fund your account. All right. So what we do here, in case this is your first time of joining us, what we do here is we analyze the market, and then when we get a good opportunity for a buy or sell, we take it immediately. All right. So what you're supposed to do is fund your account. You see that banner where deposit with benefit is written on? Just click on the banner. It will take you to the deposit page. Okay. So once you're on the deposit page, if you fund $10 will get you into my premium group for 2 weeks. So I have a premium group where I drop even better signals. All right. So what we do here is we're a scalping signal. Okay, it's more of scalping, and in my premium group, I drop better signal and intraday signal to trade the forex market. All right. So if you become a premium member, what you get to enjoy is free signals, free market analysis, and market report. And then when we have like a news event that is about to happen, I update my premium members too. All right. So if you fund $10, you'll be qualified to join my premium group for 2 weeks. If you fund up to $15, you'll be qualified to join my premium group for 1 month. And then if you fund up to $200, you'll be qualified to join my premium group for 1 month. And then you also get the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me, a live private session. Okay, session where we can discuss more about trading. If you already have like little experience, I can share my strategy with you. If you are a beginner, you have no experience at all, then I'll teach you how to become a profitable forex trader. All right. So let's get into today's activity. Let's see what is going on in the forex market. All right. So currently we are on the forex instruments, and we are on USDJPY. And as you can see, this is a 30 minutes time frame of USDJPY, and the market seems to be breaking below. All right, guys, we have about 22 minutes to the end of this current candle. So I would suggest we place this trade. All right, so let's place this trade, guys. Let's sell USDJPY now. Let's sell USDJPY.
To embrace change does not mean simply accept the changes that have been assigned to you.
Okay.
But understand the purpose of change, then accept, coordinate, and come up with solutions to do it well and implement. Improve and improve the work on an individual activity. Okay. Just the off part that I want to ask a question, which is we shouldn't just accept the change that has been assigned to us. Do we have the right to decline anything assigned to us by the company? Do we have that right? Like, can we actually find some particular change that is made and being assigned to us? Like, if what you're trying to say here is like, there will be some certain things we might come across that will be imposed to us, on us rather. So we have the right to like decline or something. Do we have that right? Hello.
All right, so let's have a take profit and a stop loss for this trade. All right, we took the trade on the 30 minutes time frame. So let's have our take profit. All right, so let's have the take profit and the stop loss for this trade. All right. So here we have our take profit and our stop loss for this trade. Okay, we have the take profit and the stop loss for this trade. So in case you still want to join this trade, this is your opportunity. All right, USDJPY sell. So if you want to join this trade, this is your opportunity. The market is still at the area where we took the trade. Okay, the market is still where we took the trade. All right, guys, we are making profit right now. We are making profit. So if you took the trade early, like I did, you should be making profit by now. Right. All right. So since we already have a take profit and a stop loss for this trade, I think we should just continue to make more analysis. All right. Let's make analysis on another pair. Right. So let's try and get as many opportunity as possible. Yeah. You see, there's another scope I want to give to you guys. Um, normally you have to have a session with me before I tell you this. But I feel happy today and I want to share this with everybody here. You see, it's very easy for you to predict the direction of the market just by drawing this. Okay. So what I'm looking for here right now is a break of structure to the upside. All right. What is a break of structure? You see, this is exactly how a break of structure looks like. So where we have a previous high, this is a previous high. Okay. This wasn't created yet, and this is what we have. The market moved from here to this level. Okay. And then the market started reversing to the downside. That is how we knew that we have a high here. Then what happened after? The high got broken. All right. So the high got broken, and what happened? We have a new high. Okay. So that is how we got this new high here. That was how we got this new high. Yeah, this is not properly aligned. All right. So that was how we got this high. And what happened again? The market came down for the second time, all right, giving us another low. Okay, so here we have one low, second low, and then the third low here. What happened? You see, the market went up again, break the high, okay, which is this previous high that was created. The market broke the high. And what happened? So now the market is trying to break this high. What does that mean? It means the market is going to continue to go up. All right. So the only time I can start looking for a sell opportunity here is if the market comes below this level. Okay. If the market comes below this level, right? So if the market goes below this level, then we have a break of structure to the downside. That means the market is trying to reverse from the initial uptrend it was on. Okay, so that means the market is trying to reverse from the initial direction it was on before that. All right. So, but right now you see we have our low here and we have our high. We can't use this as a low yet. Okay, so we can't call this a low yet because the market hasn't gone above this previous high. So we need a market that is going to violate this high. Once this high gets taken out, okay, once this high gets taken out, then this becomes a valid low. Okay, so once this high gets taken out, sorry, I wanted to use something else. Okay, once this high gets violated, that is this market going above this level, okay, then this becomes a valid high, a valid low, and a valid high. Okay, we have a high right now, but we don't have a low yet. All right. So if the market goes down to take out this, then it means the low, the previous low was violated. You see, this low wasn't violated, this wasn't violated, this hasn't been violated yet. But if the market goes below this level, then that means this low has been violated. And what does that mean? It means the market is trying to reverse. Okay, it means the market is going this higher probability that the market is going to sell. Okay, even if it's going to be for a while, but the market is going to sell for some time. All right. So since the low is not yet violated, then the opportunity to look out for here is still a buy opportunity. Okay, the opportunity to look out for here is still a buy opportunity. So right now the low is not taken out, but what we've had previously is highs getting taken out to the upside. Okay, so this is what I will do on this trade. So this is what I'll do for this setup. You see, I'll place my buy here. Yeah, I love sniper entries. Okay, I love sniper entries. This is 30 minutes time frame. So Um, if I had seen this earlier, I would have taken my entry right from the close of this candle. Okay, this bearish candle. So this could have been a profit. Okay, I don't like taking trade from the middle of um, a candle printing. Okay, so this is 30 minutes time frame, and we have about 10 minutes to the end of this current candle. All right, so we have about 10 minutes to the end of this current candle. Instead of placing this trade here right now, I would suggest we wait for the candle to finish printing, and then we can then take our entry. Yeah. So guys, that's basically how to read the market. You see, it's not hard at all, right? So all you need is just practice. So even with this simple strategy, with this small strategy, I'm telling you, you can finish the forex market. Okay. So to get the complete full strategy, all you need to do is fund your account on my live stream. Okay, fund your account on this live stream. Just click on the banner where deposit with benefit is written on. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to the section where you can make deposit. Okay, it will take you to the deposit page. So once you are in the deposit page, just click on whatever amount you want to fund. Okay, but I'll advise you fund up to $200. Okay, so you can have a one-on-one session with me. If you fund $10, if you fund $10 is going to get you into the premium group for 2 weeks, but you are not going to have a live session with me. Okay, if you fund up to $15, $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month, but you are still not going to get a private session with me. All right, so to get the private session, you have to fund up to $200. Now if you fund $200, you get to enjoy all the benefit of the $10 and the $15, which is becoming a premium member, getting free signal, getting free market report and market analysis. And then you also get to have a session with me, a live session, just you and I, okay, where we can discuss better about forex trading. I'll be able to show you how you can become a profitable forex trader, and even share with you my personal trading strategy. All right. So guys, let's do that. All right, let's continue with our analysis. So what I'm waiting for here right now is I want this candle to finish printing. Okay, as I've said earlier, I don't want to take this trade in the middle of a candle formation. Yeah, we call it a candle formation because the candle is still forming. All right, the candle is still forming. So sometimes you can just predict by just seeing what the market is doing. Okay, so let's say you just go you open your chart right now and then you see a candle printing bullish, then you want to decide you are going to buy because it's printing bullish. It doesn't work that way. Okay, you need confirmations. So a candle that is printing bullish, if the candle hasn't finished printing, it can still turn to bearish. Okay, guys, you can test out what I've just said. All right. So sometimes candle don't just print bullish or bearish candles. I'm not saying it doesn't happen, but on rare cases. Okay. So the candle would maybe print bullish first and then end up being bearish. So that is why you need to wait for candle to finish printing before you take any trade. All right. So we have about 6 minutes to the end of this current candle. But before the end of the candle, I think we should just continue to make more analysis. All right. Let's continue to make more analysis. And by the end of this, we'll come back to check on AUDCAD to see if we have the opportunity to ride on with this trade. Okay. All right. So we have AUDCHF here currently, and the market is also doing well. You see, is bullish the market is bullish, right? Because we have lows. We have a low here. We have a new low here, though it's not yet confirmed low. Why? Because this high hasn't getting taken out. Okay, so we need this high to be violated before this can be a valid low. Okay, so guys, this is a simple strategy. Okay, but it's very effective. I'm telling you, this strategy I'm using, the one I just taught you guys, is giving me 90% win. Okay, if you have a strategy that can give you up to 90% win, honestly, I don't know what you're looking for again. All right, when it comes to forex, everybody knows there's nothing like 100%. It's not possible. So if you are able to get 80, if you're able to get 70%, okay, if you get a strategy, or if you have a strategy that can give you 70%, that can guarantee you 70% to win, I'm telling you, you are in the right path. Okay, you are already a future millionaire. All right. So all right. So currently AUDCHF is printing bullish candles, right? So the opportunity we should be looking out for here is to buy. Okay, the opportunity we should be looking out for is a buy opportunity, right? All right, so let's go back to AUD CAD. Okay, let's go back to AUD CAD. Less than 4 minutes to the end of this current candle. I think we should stay on this trade. I want to see what happens at the end of this current candle. Okay, so if it's a good opportunity, then we can continue with the ride, with the bullish move. Okay, but I would have loved it better if we had taken the trade from here. I hate drawdowns. Okay. All right, we have less than 3 minutes to the end of this current candle. So the candle is coming to an end, guys, and the market is still strong on the bullish side. You see, this could have been our profit if we took the trade, if we had taken the trade earlier. But unfortunately, we couldn't catch this. But let's see what happens after the end of this candle. Let's see if we can still get opportunity to ride on with this. All right, less than a minute to the end of the candle. Less than a minute now. All right, so you see the candle finished printing and it's still strong on the bullish side. But if we are going to take this trade right now, you see this is going to be our entry point, and this would be our stop loss. Nope, no. We can't set our stop loss here. This will be our stop loss level, okay? Because this is where we have the recent low, okay? Yeah, we can still consider this our stop loss level, even though it's not yet a valid low, because we still need the market to go above this level before we can have this as a valid low, okay? But you see, so this is the reason why I can't take this trade, because I need the market. Uh, but this is actually a good setup for my premium members, because okay, guys. Excuse me a bit. Let me just quickly send this to the premium group. Yeah, I'm not giving it out here because on our live stream we scalp, okay? But for my premium members, we can hold trade for hours because most of the trade I send to them are intraday trades, okay? They are intraday signals. So if you want to get this kind of signal, all you have to do is fund on this live stream, right? Just click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written up. So once you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit section, the deposit page. Once you get there, just deposit at least $10, right? So guys, you see the benefit you get to enjoy is massive, and then you're not really paying for anything. Yeah, you're not paying for anything because when you fund on my live stream, the money is going into your trading account. Okay, so it's not as if you are paying for the services that I've listed out. You're not paying for anything, right? When you fund your account, the money is going into your trading account, right? So let me just say, you are using one stone to kill two birds. Okay, you have money in your trading account to trade with, and then you still get signal from me. You see. So if you want free money, you can join my premium group. If you don't like money, so I don't want to say anything further. All right, so let's see. I have to take the trade also. Okay, so since I'm giving the trade here on my live stream, since this is where I got the analysis, if you are interested, you can take the trade. I'm going to leave out the take profit and the stop loss, but be careful. Make sure you are watching your trade, okay? The reason why I don't want to give it here initially was because we scalp on this live stream. Not all the time. We've already gotten an intraday trade. We had a take profit and a stop loss on AUTCAT, right? All right, so let's continue with more analysis. Okay, so here we have AUDNZD, and AUDNZD has been on bullish move. Okay, so here's another thing, guys. Do not be deceived by these moves. Okay, do not be deceived by these moves, because I know some people will be looking at this and be like, Mr. Leo, you said when the market goes below, something like this, the market is about to change direction. Okay, so this is not what I was talking about. Okay, not these small moves. Okay, so I'm talking about the real move. So for you to get this kind of moves, you can either use your you can use your trend line. Okay, you can have something like this. You see where the market has rejected, where we have an obvious rejection. So you see here we had an obvious rejection. We had an obvious rejection here. We have another one here. You see, so these are our obvious rejected zones. These are areas where you can consider um, break of structures. Okay, so if the market breaks structure around anywhere here, then they are good break of structures, right? So we have a break of structure here. You see the market broke it to the upside, and the market went bullish. Okay, the market went bullish. So let me label this. This is my break of structure. So I don't want to use this as break of structures. All right, I don't want to use this as break of structure because after this move, you see, you just keep creating what I love to call little moves. Okay, so this is my low. This is where I consider to be the low for this whole setup. All right. So before I can think of selling this, I'll need the market to go below this level. All right. I'll need the market to go below this level. So what the market is doing right now is the market is still trying to look for another block to retest, which is this. We have another block here. Okay. So my speculation is the market is going to reverse from this level. Okay, it's going to reverse from this level. So even if this is not going to be it, um, at least this is what I'm expecting. See, like this, market break to the upside, make another retest, and continue to go up. All right. So if I'm to give out this signal, this is where I'm going to have my buy limit. All right. So this is where I would set my buy limit at. Uh, so the instruction is going to be for the market to buy from this level and then continue to go up. This high would probably be my first take profit level, and then I can have my second take profit level above, you know. So this is my analysis on AUD and ZD. Okay. All right. Let's do a few more analysis on the forex instrument. Then we move to the crypto instruments. Okay. Okay, just a moment, guys. I want to check something on XAUSD. Okay. So XAUSD is giving me a bullish vibe. All right, let's continue with our analysis. All right, so here we have AUD USD. Okay, we have AUD USD. So now for this, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Let's see what is going on here. You see, on the 15 minutes time frame, the market has been printing bullish candles. Okay, the market has been printing bullish candles, which means the direction of this is uptrend. Yeah. So the direction for this is uptrend, as you can see. All right. So now let me use my break of structure strategy. All right. Let me show you the beauty of break of structure strategy. You see, I have a break of structure here. There's no need to go down. Okay. There's no need to go further down. Um, you can actually start pointing out or labeling your break of structure, like this, where we have the break of structures showing obviously, okay? So you see, it's very obvious here that the market broke to the upside. And with my trend line, you see the market is telling me that I'm going bullish, all right? So here we have another break of structure to the upside. We have another break of structure. We have this low. The market came down. We have this low. This took out the liquidity here, okay? And that is how the market continued to make bullish moves, right? Right? So this is the next high, or this is the recent high, and the high is getting violated right now. Okay, the high is getting violated right now, which means when the market gets to this level, there's high chance that the market is going to sell for a little while. You see, when the market gets here, the market would sell for a little while, maybe come down to this fair value gap zone, and then continue to go up. I'm telling you, okay, and then continue to go up. Okay. All right, so there's no immediate entry here. Uh, okay, let's head on to the Euro pairs. Right, let's head to the Euro pairs. So let's start our analysis from the higher time frame. Right, let's see if we're gonna get an opportunity for this. So you see, the market had previously rejected this level, which is our point of interest. Okay, our point of interest here. So you see what I was talking about earlier, where I said if market violates a low or a high, you know. So here we have uh, you see the market was going bullish right from here because we have this low and it wasn't violated. Okay, so which means we had we had we had this, which is break of structure. We had another break of structure here. See, we have break of structures here. And what happened? See, the market violated this low, right? The market violated this low, went below the low. Okay. So now when market violate a high or a low, we call that change of character. Okay, we call that a change of character. So when the market violated this low, what happened next? We had this other block, we had the fair value gap. Then the market came into the fair value gap and then started reversing to the downside. Okay, the market started reversing to the downside. All right, let's go to 2 hour time frame. Let's see the initial trend for this market. All right. So this would have been my entry point. This would be my stop loss level. So I would have used 1 to 2. Okay. So I would have used the ratio of 1 to 2. All right. So what is currently happening here on Euro AUD is not suitable for our scalping. Okay, it's not suitable for scalping right now. So I would suggest we continue to make more analysis. All right. Here we have Euro GBP. Let's see what's going on the Euro GBP instrument. Oh wow, we just trade on our premium group yesterday, and the market has been going bullish. Right, let me update my premium members. All right. See, I'm always updating them. I'm always telling them what to do if we are supposed to leave the market or continue to stay. All right, so this is Euro NZD. Let's quickly make analysis here. Then I want us to make analysis on a crypto instrument before the end of our session. Okay. All right, so we have so here we have another block. So guys, there's a reason why I'm using this zone as another block. We have multiple other blocks here actually, but there's a reason why I'm using this. So if you want to gain this experience, just fund your account on my live stream. Okay, click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. It will take you to the deposit page. So once you're on the deposit page, fund your account with at least $10. You'll be that way you'll be able to get to into my premium group for 2 weeks. If you fund up to $15, you'll be eligible to join my premium group for 1 month. And if you fund up to $200, you'll be joining my premium group for 1 month, and then you also get to have a live private session with me. Okay. And as I've said earlier, you are using one stone to kill two birds. I'm telling you. So if you fund, the money is going into your trading wallet. All right. So it's not as if you are paying for the services you get to enjoy. All right. So I'm technically saying all the benefits are free. Right. Okay, so we have a few more minutes left. Let's quickly go to BTC USDT. Let's see what's going on there. So the crypto instruments BTC USDT has been on the bullish move. Okay, it has been on bullish move. So as you can see, this is where we have our recent high. Okay, so there's no recent high. This is the only high we have. This is the only high we have here. So let's quickly make this analysis and see if um, let's see if we can get an intraday trade signal. So you see liquidity got taken out here. Liquidity got taken out. So let's use our break of structure strategy. See, the market broke structure to the upside, broke another structure here to the upside. Okay. And when the market got here, what happened? The market still broke another structure to the upside. But the reason why I label this X is because the last structure that gets broken is usually market taking out liquidity. Okay. Market looking for stop hunts. All right. So if you don't know what all this means, just join my premium group with at least $200, I'll be able to explain better. Okay. And then when the market took out this high, what happened next? The market came down below, took out the low. Okay, took out the recent low, which is the low that created the high. Okay, took out the low. So now that we have a new low, we're not going to name this a break of structure. We are changing this to change of character. Okay, because the market is reversing. So now we are looking for sell opportunities. All right, because after this change of character, you can see the market started making bearish candles. All right. All right. So we have a change of structure to the downside. Okay. All right. So now here we have another block here on this level. Okay. So we have other block on this level. All right. So the market is currently on another block. Though I still need the confirmation before I take this trade, and the confirmation is for the market to reverse again. Though we already have, uh, let me zoom out on this so we can see that clearly. You see, we already have a rejection candle here. We already have a rejected candle. So I need the market to give me like a second rejection. All right. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay. All right. So once we have our next rejection, then we can place our sell trade on BTC USDT. All right. So we have about a minute to the end of this current candle. Let's see what happens after the end of this candle. Okay. So if we get a proper confirmation, I'm going to be giving out the take profit and the stop loss for this trade. Okay, because we're going to be setting a sell. We're going to be selling this. All right. Once we get the confirmation, we are going to place a sell order, and I'm going to give out the take profit and the stop loss. All right. We have few more seconds to the end of this current candle. Let's go down to lower time frame. Let's stay on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so the candle closed, and I'm not comfortable with the rejection here. I mean, as you can see, it's obviously not a rejection. The candle just closed, so we still haven't gotten the proper confirmation to take a sell on this. Okay, We have this, but it's not enough because as you can see right now, this. I don't want any candle to go above this again. Even if a candle is going to go above it, it should be a wick, okay, not a full body. All right. So, but you can keep an eye out for BTC USDT. When you get a rejection candle, here you can place a sell trade. Okay. So, guys, that'll be all for this morning. Join me again tomorrow. Let's analyze the market and look for entry opportunities. All right. So, enjoy the rest of your day and bye for now. And guys, make sure to keep an eye out for our trade on USDJPY. Okay. So, once you start making profit, make sure you secure your profit. All right.